Hello everyone, Tasha Zeddy here and welcome to Living in the Pacific Northwest. Today we're going to show you the newest listing that I am bringing on at 3401 Northwest Melody in Silverdale. It's right off of Clear Creek, 3-bedroom, 1-bath, 2 fireplaces, a great open floor plan, so let's go take a look. As you can see, this house is great, and at this price range in the lower $300,000 in Kitsap County, it's going to go fast. So if you'd like a private showing or more information, give me a call today. Tasha Zeddy, RE/MAX Connect, 360-509-6607, or you can send me an email at tashaz@remax.net. Thanks for watching and have a great day.